Okay, so a farmer has 920 feet of fencing to enclose a rectangular field. We are going to find the maximum area. We first have to model the area, and we're going to do that with a quadratic. To help with that, I want to model the perimeter of a rectangular field is going to be 2 times length plus 2 times width here. 920 is going to make up the perimeter. So it'll be 920 is equal to 2L plus 2W. And let's just solve for one of them. I like having L solve for, so I'll do subtracting 2W to both sides. So 920 minus 2W equals 2L. Then divide everything by 2. So that's going to give me 460 minus W is equal to L. So then I can model the area, because area is just length times width here. So the area is going to be made up of the length, which in this case I can model with 460 minus W times the